Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to delete an account on Skyscanner. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to delete Skyscanner account. Maybe because you have seen an issue in your account, so you want to delete it so that you could create a new one, or maybe you already have a new account, so you want to delete it, or you just stopped using the Skyscanner, so you want to delete the account, or there could be any other reason for you to delete your account on Skyscanner. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Skyscanner app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once the app get installed, make sure you also have your account on it, because if you don't have an account, then you couldn't delete it, and you're also logged in with your account. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Skyscanner app to open it. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. First, you will see the title of the app, and then you will see different options almost all over the screen. Right now we are into the home section where you could see different stuff, and other than that we have two options. The middle option at the bottom is for trips. Once you tap on it, you will find different things related to trips, like if you have planned any trips, they will be there, and if you want to plan, you could also make one with the help of this option. Other than that, on the third option we have profile. Once you tap on it, you will get into profile. You will read the title of profile there and see different option. Every option here is different from each other and its own specific purpose that it performs. So here is your profile icon. Just simply click on it, and there you will see this option which says your details, and it has different options through which you could manage your account. So here we have another option at the bottom which says account management. Just simply click onto this option, and then you will see the title of it, account management. Here we have two different options. So if you want to delete your account, the other option, which is the second option, or you could say the last option, with the help of that you could delete your account, because it says delete account. Here you have to understand that if you once deleted your account, you will not be able to get back to your account, and all your information, personal stuff, your trips or anything that is included in your account will get deleted. Once you tap on it, it will ask you that are you really sure you want to delete your account, because it will be a permanent, you cannot get back to your account. If you want to get back, you have to create a new account, but you cannot do that. So if you click on to delete account, your account will be deleted, and anything that includes your personal stuff will also get deleted, so you cannot get back. So if you're okay with that, you can delete your account. Otherwise, you may not delete it, you may just go for logout. So this was the easiest way I know through which you could delete your account on Skyscanner. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.